will be a little complex to understand, so just try to understand it. Pointers in two-dimensional array. So we are declaring it like this, means two columns will be there. 4 elements like this. So 2 columns are there, then these are the 2 rows. So it will be an array like this: 12, 22, 33, 44, 0, 1, 0, 1. So it is 0, 0, 0, 1, it is 1, 0, 1, 1. So how to deal with the pointers in the two-dimensional arrays? This is the way to declare a pointer for this particular two-dimensional array. P equal A. We are assigning the address of this particular array in this particular pointer. Now, this is the way we can access the elements which are represented in two-dimensional array. So it is a little bit confusing here. I will explain you, and then I will explain you the same with a diagram. What does this mean basically? So this is the P. If we perform this, or we will perform directly using this array name like this. So A will depict the address of the first row, 0, 1, or just don't make it 0, 12, 22, 33, 44. So the A will have the address of this first row. This A plus I will have the address of the first element in that particular row, star A plus I. Star A plus I plus J will have the, so if we want to access the element at this particular location ij, so star, just look at up to here, this is the location of the first element in the first row, and A plus I plus J star like this, it is the location of the jth element in the ith row location. And if we want to access the address, value at that particular location, then we need to use the star. So it is a little bit complex, but it will be clear to you by this diagram very easily, like this. So this is a two-dimensional array. So after this P equal A, don't think like this array is having only these two elements, just forget it. P equal A means after this operation, the P will contain the address of the first row. Okay, so this is the nomenclature for this. P, pointer to first row. Now P plus I, pointer to ith row, means we are just increasing it. P plus 1, P plus 2, P plus I, ith row. Okay. Star P plus I, it will point to the first element in that particular ith row. Star P plus I, like it is the value of I is 4, then P plus 4 in fourth row. So this will have the address in this fourth row. Okay. Now star P plus I, तो ये तो हो गया फोर्थ रो के फर्स्ट एलिमेंट का एड्रेस, ये ith रो के फर्स्ट एलिमेंट, इट इज P, ith रो के फर्स्ट एलिमेंट का एड्रेस, और ये हो गया स्टार P प्लस I फर्स्ट एलिमेंट प्लस J, मीन वी कैन मूविंग इन द सेकेंड डायमेंशन. ये फर्स्ट का है तो उसमें हम J ऐड करते जाएंगे तो क्या होगा, नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट तक पहुंच जाएंगे. सो इट विल बी लाइक P plus 4 means we are at the fourth row, and if we are not adding anything here, then we are having the address of this particular element, zeroth element. If we are adding here 1, then first element, adding here one more 1, then second element, adding here one more 1, then third element. Okay, so this will be the address of that element. Now, how can we access the value at that? So you people know very well. We need to, it will be star here. We need to put a dereference operator here. So this is the address, and by using this dereference operator, we can access the value there. I'm again explaining you this. Just understand it very carefully. What we are doing here, this is a two-dimensional array. We are declaring a pointer for this two-dimensional array. P equal A means assigning the address of this array into P. Now let's come to here. What does this P means? Pointer to first row. Okay, or we can say address of this element in the P. So if we want to know the, we can write it like we can write it like P plus 0. So ये हो गया एड्रेस इसका P plus 0 means first element 0 0. Okay, P plus 1 means 0 1. P plus 2 means 0 2. It's like this. Okay, now if we want to access the ith row, अब P तो 0 को डिनोट कर रहा है, ith का चाहिए हमको, फर्स्ट का चाहिए, तो क्या करेंगे, P में 1 ऐड कर देंगे. So this P plus I, or sorry, P plus 1, ये इसको 4 ले लेते हैं, क्लियर हो जाए. P plus 4 means फोर्थ रो, 0 plus 4, फोर्थ रो. ये फोर्थ को डिनोट कर रहा है, फोर्थ. फोर्थ रो में कौन सा एलिमेंट चाहिए, इसके लिए भी हम प्लस करेंगे, फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ. सपोज हमको इसमें थर्ड एलिमेंट चाहिए, तो फोर्थ रो थर्ड एलिमेंट की लोकेशन. तो फोर्थ रो डिनोट होगी इससे, थर्ड एलिमेंट प्लस 3 करके, फोर्थ रो थर्ड एलिमेंट का एड्रेस, और उसकी वैल्यू कैसे आएगी, इस तरीके से. सो होप इट्स क्लियर टू ऑल. इट इज सिंपल. P pointer to first row or first element 0 0. P plus I pointer to ith row. Star P plus I pointer to first element in the ith row. फर्स्ट एलिमेंट क्या मिल गया उस रो में, तो बाकी एलिमेंट्स का ही मिल जाएगा, प्लस जे करके. ये एड्रेस हो गया प्लस जे. और अगर हमको वैल्यू चाहिए तो वी कैन यूज दिस डीरेफरेंस ऑपरेटर वेरी सिंपली. ओके, सो if we want to print a two-dimensional array by using a pointer, so this is a two-dimensional array, this is a pointer. Now assigning the address P, address of in P of this particular array, and we are running a loop. I equal 0, I less than 2, j equal 0, j less than 2. तो देखो ये समझ में आ जाएगा यहाँ पे. P plus I प्लस जे, इससे क्लियर हो जाएगा. और अब मैं लगा देता हूँ यहाँ पे स्टार ए. तो जब i की वैल्यू 0, j की वैल्यू 0, तो समझ लो यहाँ पे हो गया 0 0. इसकी वैल्यू 0, इसकी वैल्यू 1 0 1, इसकी वैल्यू 1, इसकी वैल्यू 0 1 0 और 1 1. और ये वैल्यूज होगी अलग अलग लोकेशन पे. इट इज 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. वेरी सिंपल. Now two more slides are here. It will make some more points clear to you all. Array of pointers. We can use pointers to handle a table of string. If we are having a table of string, means one string, second string, third string, and so on. Then in the previous lecture, when we were discussing about the strings and some built-in functions for strings, so at that time I just explain you how we can use how can we store a two-dimensional string. So this is a character array, two-dimensional character array. So it denotes simply there will be 3 strings and size of each string will be at max 25 characters, including the null character. So name is a table containing 3 names, each with a maximum length of 25 characters, including the null character. So, and this total storage will require 25 into 3. It is required 1 byte for each character, then 25 into 3, that will be 75. Okay, so we can use a pointer to a string of varying length as like this. It will be a pointer like this, as there will be 3 rows. They will decorate it like this. और यहाँ पे जो हमने पीछे किया था, तो जितनी नंबर ऑफ रोज होंगी उस अकॉर्डिंग हम यहाँ पे पॉइंटर का साइज डिक्लेयर करेंगे. Vector star name 3, so you can very easily understand it. Name 0 will point to this, name 1 will point to this, name 2 will point to this separately. So character star name 3, this is the pointer initialization, and as it is a string, so address of this constant string directly come to this particular pointer. So it declares name to be an array of 3 pointers to characters, and each pointer pointing to a particular name. Means name 0 New Zealand, name 1 Australia, name 2 India. Okay, and it can be done in different way. I mean, we can have a separate variable for which is storing these strings like this name. So name 325, and we can assign values like here as like this. Or we can have another pointer variable by which we can access this. Okay, and this declaration allocate 28 bytes. If a single character require 1 byte, then these are 28 characters, including null character for every string. So 25 characters in these, including space and all, and 3 character, that will be 28. So this will require 28 bytes of allocation, memory allocation. So in this way, we can use array of pointers in the strings also. Okay, so the following statement would print out all the 3 names for I equals 0, I less than equal to I plus plus. Printf % as name I, or printf % as name plus I. We can write like this. तो इसमें तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं, उनकी अलग अलग लोकेशंस को एक्सेस कर रहे हैं, और इस तरह से करना है हमको, तो ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. सो टू एक्सेस द jth कैरेक्टर, जैसे 2 डायमेंशनल अरे में अभी हम कर रहे थे, p फर्स्ट रो p प्लस i, ith रो प्लस j, ith रो jth एलिमेंट एड्रेस और स्टार उसकी वैल्यू. ऐसे ही यहाँ पे नेम i, ith रो, jth character और उसकी वैल्यू. So the character array with rows of varying length are called, so these character arrays with rows of varying length of strings are known as ragged arrays and are better handled by pointers. Separately, we can access each and every character in these particular strings.